In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Webflow project in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Webflow or simply looking to enhance your website with engaging video content, this step-by-step guide will help you get started quickly and easily. First, let's begin by navigating to your Webflow site. Open your preferred web browser and log in to your Webflow account. Once you're on your dashboard, select the project you'd like to work on, and get ready to dive into the Webflow Designer. This will be your playground for adding and customizing content. Once you're in the Webflow Designer, your next move is to open the Add panel. You'll find this located on the left side of the screen. By clicking on this panel, you'll reveal a range of elements that can be seamlessly integrated into your web page, from headings and text blocks to more dynamic content like images and videos. Next, it's time to bring your video onto the canvas. In the Add panel, locate the video element. Once you've found it, simply click and drag it onto your desired spot on the canvas. This intuitive action lets you decide exactly where your video will live on the page, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your design vision. Now that your video element is placed, go ahead and select it. This will activate the Element Settings panel, where you can fine-tune the specifics of your video content. In the Settings panel, you'll see an option to input a URL. This is where you paste the link to your video. Sourced from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, copy the URL of the video you want to showcase, and paste it directly into the URL field. Webflow will automatically pull the video preview, setting it up for display. In addition to embedding typical videos, Webflow also offers the flexibility to add background videos. This can add a layer of dynamism to your web page, making it stand out. To do this, revisit the Add panel and explore the background video option if you want your site's visuals to have an immersive and engaging feel. Lastly, if you have custom video requirements or prefer a more hands-on approach, you can embed a video using custom code. This advanced feature allows you to paste your custom HTML code directly into the embed element in Webflow. It gives you control over unique video settings and integrations that might not be available through standard options. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a video to your Webflow project, enhancing the visual appeal and interactivity of your site. Hopefully, this walkthrough has been straightforward and informative, empowering you to incorporate videos in a way that enriches your website's narrative. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Webflow!